Verifying your Trip.com account is essential for ensuring the security of your bookings and personal information. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Trip.com website or open the app and log in using your registered email address and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the profile section, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Find verification options. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled Account Verification or Verify Your Account. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Provide required information. You may be prompted to enter additional information such as your phone number or identification documents. Fill in the required fields accurately. Step 5. Confirm verification. After submitting your information, check your email or phone for a verification code. Enter this code in a designated field to complete the verification process. Once you have followed these steps, your Trip.com account should be successfully verified. This will enhance your booking experience and provide added security for your transactions.